Hello, alright. Be very welcome or welcome to this video. In this video, I want to tell you my experience with lottery defeater software, tell you all the truth about this product, and mainly warn you about a lot of things related to this product, so you don't have any headaches or anything like that. So please stay until the end of the video with me, and I will clarify everything. First, let me explain to you what lottery defeater software is. Lottery defeated software is a simple and easy to use software that effectively makes you several lottery winners across the country. Lottery defeated software includes several features that you won't find anywhere else. It is a super easy and complete automated software that includes winning the plug and play lottery in just a few days. This software makes you finally defeat the lottery, that makes you start winning the lottery, and makes you live the life of your dreams. This lottery software is simple where anyone can do it, even if you are a 5th grade student, which includes all the math and manual labor. This software calculates the numbers where this is done automatically for you. Lottery defeated software does not involve any kind of problem that you come up with with computers. Lottery defeated software takes just 3 easy steps where it is simple and easy to follow by anyone. I had never been able to win the lottery once. I bet a long time ago I started to think there was some kind of trick or magic, something I didn't know. And I actually saw that what I needed was strategy and analysis, and I started doing a lot of research on the internet about it, and that's when I saw lottery defeated software, and I was amazed the minute I saw it because it was what I needed, and I clicked and fell right into its official website, the one I'm showing on my computer screen. I started watching the video from start to finish and I really liked everything. I saw that many people had results. I understood how it was all about. I tell you, watch the whole video from start to finish. I clicked below to read everything too. I read everything on the page, and liked a lot of things, but what caught my attention was that the product had 60 days warranty. If I did not like or had no results in that time, I could ask for my money back, but of course this only has on the official website. I will leave the official website here below in the description and in the first comment set. Do not try to buy the lottery defeated software from any other site besides the official website. Beware of scams. Well, and after receiving the contents and analyzing everything, I managed to win the lottery? The answer is yes, I managed to win after a long time following everything from lottery defeated software. My first was not 1 million Brazilian reals, but it was a good prize, and I will bet more following everything from lottery defeated software. Did you know that 98% of people who use lottery defeated software can win the lottery? This is amazing. I'm sure it will work for you too. This software makes you win the lottery by organizing the odds in your favor using some secret code. This software takes all this historical data, analyzes it and compares it to the last winning draw across the country. In this way, the software removes 90% of lost or repeated combinations, focusing only on combinations with great potential that need to be extracted. This is amazing, right? You can be sure that it's very simple to understand and use. Just follow everything that will also win in the lottery. I hope that this video has helped you to clear all the doubts you had. Anything, just comment below that I will reply as soon as I can. I hope to have helped, and until the next